One more stock that we had to cover today is RKLB. Now the reason why is it's one of the gap fill stocks. We like the gap fill. So an extreme move to the upside is what we like to see in this scenario. An extreme move has to have a gap in it, and guess what? It's got two gaps. So if this one doesn't do it, maybe this one will do it for us. What we're wanting to see is exactly what happened yesterday. Finding the gap down here as a support. Let's go down to a lower time frame and check it out. We'll go down to the 15-minute chart. Now, you could use any chart you'd like. Whatever time frame you are used to, go ahead and use that for a pattern to be built off of. Now, what we're doing is we came down and we found this once again as a support. I like it. Come down, find some buyers, buyers. Now we're making a lower high, looking like we are trying to build a pattern of some sort to possibly continue up. Now, what I am interested in is only a pattern between roughly around these levels. I'd like to see this hold as a support. Okay, so it needs to get up above. Maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's today, but I wouldn't mind seeing this thing kind of act like it's going to do something. The EMAs carry it. I don't mind getting in before this price point for a break above, just because of the type of potential reversal this has and the potential to the upside. We generally find a lot of buyers down here on a gap fill, on a supernova, or a stock that's made a big move in that direction. So that's what we're looking at. Now, prices to the upside, we definitely like to see, we will find some resistance in this area. Okay, so this is kind of like the little mini zone. We'll go ahead and draw that out, and we'll say that this is the area that you'll want to take profit. And what's cool about this area, from where our entry is, let's just call it from there, that's like 9%, 9.5%. Get one of these trades per week, and you're doing pretty good. Now, there is potential room clear up to the top, which obviously would give us quite the percentage growth move. But there is an area up here that could possibly be drawn to. So we do want to pay attention to that, but I do think we have a lot of sellers in here. Let's keep an eye on this area and this area down here. Would like to see an hourly build. We want to look at the hourly time frame for a good direction, and then dial in our 10-minute chart, 15-minute chart for an entry off of a key level support on the hourly time frame. And then obviously we've already found the key level support on the daily chart, which is huge for us. And you could definitely be a buyer down low. Just have that under the impression that if it continues, you're just going to cut your loss, get out of it as quick as possible, and then go from there. So I hope this information was useful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, so every time we come out with content, or you can be reminded to watch the stocks that we're going over in the morning. See you in the next video.